Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and today I'm here to wish everybody a happy National Coffee Day. Today is National Coffee Day. Who'd have thought? I never knew that. Um, and is also my birthday, but nonetheless, I was inspired by many crafters here doing I Love Coffee Hop, hosted by Linnae. I don't know her channel, but I'll link it down below if I can find it. Um, Everybody probably knows Linnae. I'm just kind of late to the party, I guess. I was watching everybody's videos and it inspired me to come down and craft as well. So I created or I altered a playing card, added some papers, all different random papers in the background, some lace, brown doily, and these stickers I've had in my stash forever, and I called it a day. I love it. Isn't that cute? And I used this sticker set that I've had in my stash forever. It has warm coffee and it's dimensional and it's life's little occasions. It's a K and Company brand, but I got it at Tuesday Morning in 2016. But I saved it from all my D-stashes because I love coffee. Um, so I did that. And then I also want to share what I've done in the past. I have some of my past Deck the Year projects that I wanted to share as well. So I did a altar playing card with an embossing folder from my creative time. This is a stamp from the Dollar Tree as well as the coffee cup. And then I punched out a, what do you call it? I punched out a scallop circle with the time card and did that. So that was from Deck the Year. Oh, this is from this year. Okay. I don't know. And then I also did this one. This is an altered playing card that I did 2024. Um, and I did the same thing, covered it up with pattern paper. These are stamped papers that I did. My mornings start with coffee. I added a brown ribbon with my mini attacher. Then I attached this button with a bobble pin and an eyelet, a heart. Yeah, I love coffee, as you can tell. And then lastly, this playing card was November of 2024. Oh, this must have been um, for for this year, July. Huh, I wonder why that's in my old. Okay. Anyway, so I covered the paper. I covered the plain flashcard. Sorry. With paper, some lace and trim, and this die cut that I'm sure a friend of mine sent me. Some pearls, and this says time to have some fun and relax. Yeah, so that is my projects from past and present coffee themed projects. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you've enjoyed your cup of coffee in the morning, or if you can drink coffee all day long, good for you. I cannot do that anymore. I used to could drink coffee any time of the day. Now I cannot. I think it's after 2 p.m. But once I'm done in the morning, I don't drink any more of it, but I love the smell of coffee afterwards. It makes me want to drink more coffee. But anyway, have a great Monday. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.